The citizens of Siaya are concerned that for the last 1.5 months, both the governor and his deputy have not been seen in public performing their duties as envisaged under Chapter 4 of the Constitution of Kenya and the County Government Act. They have not been seen in public, and the citizens are gossiping because there's no information coming from either the executive or the county government as to where these two holders of very important office of the governor of county government of Siaya are. Speculations are ripe, and we have come to petition this assembly to ensure that this speculation from the citizens of Siaya comes to an end by somebody coming to address the same. Where is the governor? Where is the deputy governor? The second item on petition is that in the course of the absence of these two holders of the office of the governor, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Siaya has been seen to be attending functions in the county, which is okay, but he has proceeded also to perform, to execute functions that are meant for the executive. And the third thing is the citizens are concerned because by the Speaker performing duties that are meant for the executive, there is an obvious conflict of interest because he can't pass the budget, he can't execute functions of the executive. And the fourth thing that the citizens have sent to us is to ask for the entire hazard process when, if at all, the budget for 2025 and 2026 for Siaya County government has been passed, the citizens would want such details of the budget to be made public. So those are the five, but the most important thing is that the citizens are requesting the county speaker to refrain from purporting to execute functions of the executive. But from here, we are going to the executive also to petition the county secretary or the relevant CEMC, popularly referred as ministers or waziri in charge of governance, because we see that there's a serious lacuna. In the absence of these holders of the office of the governor, we want to have assurance from the executive that the functions of the executive of the Siaya County government are going on well in the absence of the two holders of the office of the government, which is extremely important and worrying to the citizen of Siaya. So they may not have been able to come, all of them, but they have sent us through the Bunge la Wananchi and through our own as citizens responsible and also interested in knowing the affairs of Siaya County. So from here, we have been told by the deputy clerk that our petition has been well received and will be processed by the internal processes through the office of the speaker, through the relevant committee, and they have said that such petitions have a limited period that should be considered for us to get a response within 60 days. But because of the urgency of the matter, particularly the absence of the governor and his deputy, we have requested that if that process can be reduced to a very minimal, so that there's a statement that comes out from this assembly, so that the gossip that is going around in the whole county is reduced. And the clerk has promised that he will present our petition, and we wait for the response from them. We are happy. On behalf of the Siaya citizens, we want to tell you that we hope that your assembly is going to address the issues that you have raised through us.
Where is James Aggrey Orengo, the Siaya governor, who has been a big critic of William Ruto even after Raila Odinga and ODM joined alliance to support William Ruto? Welcome back to our channel. Press the subscribe button for more news bulletins on Real News, the channel where you get all your trending politics. Now, James Aggrey Orengo is the Siaya County governor. For long, he has been a big critic of William Ruto, even when Raila Odinga joined alliance merging forces of ODM and UDA in support of William Ruto, with the conclusion of the broad-based alliance. Now, news came in that James Aggrey Orengo tried to visit State House and was blocked. Later on, he's dismissed the allegations and was hosted by William Ruto in the State House. That was 5th of June 2025. After the visit, Orengo appeared in the Senate's Public Accounts Committee. Since then, no one knows the whereabouts of James Orengo. Hence the big questions from Kenyans. Where is the Siaya County Governor, James Aggrey Orengo? Now, if his own people of Kisumu County have not any idea where James Orengo is, who could answer the question that the big Kenyans are asking? Now, it is speculated that Raila Odinga came out to clarify to the people of Kisumu County who were asking about the whereabouts of James Aggrey Orengo, and he clearly stated that Orengo is fine and in good health. Now, we all know that James Orengo and his deputy have been having clear misunderstandings and have not been facing each other face to face for a very long time. If the people of Siaya County have no whereabouts of James Orengo, the government is silent on Orengo's whereabouts. No one has assumed the office of the deputy to be in control in the absence of the governor. As the Constitution clearly states, where does this leave the Siaya County people? Total jeopardy. Now, people are speculating that James Orengo has been admitted in the United States in one of the hospitals after going missing from the public eye. What do you think could have really happened to the Siaya County Governor, James Aggrey Orengo, who has been so vocal and a big critic of William Ruto after the conclusion of the broad-based alliance with Raila Odinga joining forces with William Ruto for support come 2027? What say have you? Leave me your views on the comment section. Subscribe to Real News Updates Media, the channel where you get all your trending politics. In case it's the first time to listen into Real News, press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you can be fast to receive the news bulletins once we upload them. JD Smiles.